Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Task Manager and expanding to more details. This reveals hidden columns that show GPU usage. Once done, right-click any column header and enable GPU and GPU Engine to surface the data you need. Next, open Device Manager to confirm the GPU is present and not marked disabled. If it's disabled, enable it. Make sure Windows is updated before continuing. Outdated system files sometimes hide hardware reporting and create permission issues that block GPU visibility. Now you address drivers and core services because the Task Manager reads GPU data from system services and drivers. First, update the GPU driver from Device Manager or the vendor installer. Restart the PC after installation. If Task Manager still doesn't show the GPU, open Services and restart Windows Management Instrumentation. This refreshes hardware telemetry. Also run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair corrupted system files that can prevent Task Manager from querying GPU counters. These steps resolve many. To finish, do a clean driver reinstall. Boot safe mode, uninstall the GPU driver, and then install the latest package from the vendor. Reboot and check Task Manager again. Make sure to create a restore point before big changes so you can roll back if something breaks. If Task Manager still won't show the GPU, reset the card or test it in another PC to rule out hardware failure. This isolates whether it's a software reporting issue versus a broken GPU. One key tip: if nothing helps, check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.